What really matters in life? The fast car? The big house? Is it what everybody else keeps trying to sell you? Or is it something deeper? Because the truth is, we come into this world with nothing, and we leave the same way. And somewhere in between, we're given time. That's it. Time. And most people spend it chasing things they think will make them happy. Status, validation, approval. Because at the core of everything, people just want to be happy. And somewhere along the way, we got sold the idea that happiness looks like what you have. Who doesn't like to win? But I'm not here to sell you vanity. I'm here to show you something most people won't. A skill. Something that doesn't care where you came from, what you've been through, or how many times you failed. A skill that gives you a way out. Out of the 9 to 5, out of being another cog in the system, out of barely getting by. But let's be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is pressure. This is discipline. This is showing up when you don't feel like it. This is choosing long-term freedom over short-term comfort. Because there's a lot of people out there, lost, unsure, and afraid to take a step forward. And you can't let fear lead your life. Because one day you wake up and time's gone. This isn't for everyone. But if it's for you, you'll know.